Okay, so it's been 2 days since I started my aloe vera, Ukazi leaf, and alfalfa infusion. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and strain it out now. So I'm just going to pour it back into the calabash bowl, and then I will distribute it out afterwards. Ooh, I love the color. Just strain out all of the leaves. Make sure that none of it is going to spill in this box here. There we go. And then once I'm done straining it, I will put it into a spray bottle that I have, and it will be ready to use. And I just want to make sure that none of the leaves will get in there. Just going to press some of it out. Because I know a lot of it will get trapped inside of the leaves. So I'm going to go ahead and strain some of the leaves out from the bottle or from the jar into the strainer. Just straining some of it out, just so I get all of that goodness that's at the bottom. Right, and that is it for this hair spritz. I'm excited to use it. There's not much else that I need to do. There's a couple of stray pieces that got in there, but it's not going to be a bother. And then what I'll do in the meantime, before I get it back into my spray bottle, I'm just going to pour it back into my aloe vera container until I clean my spray bottle out. So here's that. I'm going to go ahead and carefully pour the mixture into the bottle here. I'm going to use my measuring cup just to be safe that I don't waste any. And then I will store this in the refrigerator since it has been opened. The last little bit here. And that is the finished product. I hope you all enjoyed this DIY. Comment and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs, recipes, and reviews. Thanks for watching.